Hello everyone, we are in another lockdown currently and hopefully everyone is doing well and play your role well and we will go through all this together. So we are back to another episode of Open Jackbox. I still remember my first ever Open Jackbox in this channel was a smartphone. It's a smartphone that currently I'm still using, the Realme Nazo 20 Pro. But today I gonna open another smartphone because there's one smartphone they just announced this year that really made me excited and I wanted to own it. So finally I got it on my hand. Let's take out my camera build. And this is the phone I'm talking about, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. For everyone information, this is not a local unit, this is a China set because I failed to secure one unit for myself during the sales in Lazada and they never appear again. Alright, nevertheless, it's the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. I'm no stranger to Xiaomi product because I use few of their stuff such as air purifier, dash cam, Bluetooth shaver, Bluetooth toothbrush, and I even have their tablet, and also previously I own a Black Shark 3. So yeah, nevertheless, let's unbox this Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. As you can see, the box is quite thin, so this unit doesn't come with a charger, the fast charge, but nevertheless I have my Realme fast charge there, so I'm not so worried. And I already opened it actually because you see the plastic wrap already gone, but nevertheless I haven't opened the phone itself. So in the box, this is pretty standard nowadays, and this is a phone and there's nothing after that. So let's put the phone aside and let's check what's inside this box. Alright, the pin for the SIM card ejector. This is probably a manual instruction full in Chinese that I can't read. And free casing. Pretty standard for China phone nowadays. I just dropped my camera build. Alright, we're back. Apologize for some accident. My build just dropped just now, so I decided to put it at the back there now. And yeah, that's all the box. Very simple stuff, and no charging adapter, not even a charging cable, no 3.5 to USB-C converter as well. And this is the phone itself. Honestly, I haven't opened it, so let's take out the plastic wrap itself. Alright, let's put it aside, and there's some sticker here. I'm gonna tear it right now. Alright, let's put everything aside, and this is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and right off the bat, so many fingerprints already, including the back. So yeah, it's a ceramic black bag that they say is better quality than glass, and this is the first time I hold it. Already full of fingerprint, which I actually expected. And the very obvious thing of this phone is of course the camera bump. When you think that camera bump cannot go any further insane, and this is super ultra mega insane, so big. But I don't hate it honestly. In design perspective, I think this thing is very balanced, very well designed, very well thought, I guess, even though yeah, I know there's an extra screen for the camera here, and this seems like some afterthought. I hope they can implement the screen in better way for next software update. But nevertheless, this phone honestly is very thin. Not the thickest phone I ever used, because based on my past phone, which is a Sony Xperia XZ2, that one is definitely thicker. And oh god, it's very huge. This is like 6.8 inch AMOLED screen display. So there's a dual speaker here, the bottom and the top, with some Harman-Kardon signature. Oh, my lens can't focus, not close enough. So yeah, guess we're done looking at the phone. There's power button, volume rocker, the SIM card tray is set here, and the USB-C port. Alright, let's turn on the phone. Alright, I think my camera is not focusing. Alright, okay, here we go. 5G. It's Chinese because it's China set, but there's English option. Increase text size, probably no. Alright. And setup is complete. There you go. There we go. This is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Oh my god, China stuff. How do I get to... Alright, honestly, this is my first time putting on the phone and I haven't been using it properly, but nevertheless, if you guys curious, these are all the key specs for the phone itself. Just read it when you are free. So the main reason I bought this phone is for the camera itself, but unfortunately we are currently in another lockdown, so I can't go out and shoot yet. But for a quick shot, let's take out the camera build and so what's so interesting about the camera? One of the main sensor is a 50 megapixel 1/1.2 inch sensor size, which very close to a compact camera size for Sony RX series, which produce a fantastic image. So let's see. Photo AI, nope, no AI. Dynamic shot, nope. What do we have here? Setting. Let's dive into setting. Quick snap mode, correct distortion. Alright, correct face distortion in group photo. Do I need this? Oh wait, camera is not focusing. Alright. Track movement, probably yes. Hey format, high efficiency image format. Let's save this one. Enhance image quality. Alright, I'm just going to leave it on. So picture quality high, and nothing else, I guess. Okay, that's all my setting for the camera. Let me check, what do I have in here? Oh, so there's a rear display button here. So once you turn it on, yep, you can see yourself and take a high quality selfie using this screen. But of course the most complaint right now is you couldn't use it to shoot video yet, can't display video yet, and quite limited usage, but it able to display those basic main camera, wide angle, and the zoom lens. So hopefully they update in the future. So do I close it? Yeah. Alright, let's check. Am I in the main camera right now? Right, there are a few camera mode here which I don't really care. Alright, this is a wide angle. Here's the main camera. And the zoom. Oh yeah, the zoom is a 5x zoom, 5x optical zoom. So, alright, let's take a quick shot. This camera either built, and from the display already can see the rays. Okay, let's go for wide. And 5x zoom. Whoa, so close up. Alright, that's fine. Alright, let's quick review from the phone itself. I'm gonna put it into PC and check later. So yeah, that's a quick camera test. I'm gonna put it into the PC and check later, and for you guys to see. For the next test, let's test on the audio. Oh, the battery less than 10%. Alright, okay, last test. Let's go for the audio. Alright, we are back. So basically this one doesn't have Google service yet. I haven't installed it myself, so I'm just gonna use browser to browse some YouTube video and play some song. And this is one of my favorite songs recently. So
Pringles wajah baru, keseronokan luar biasa.
I hate ads. Alright, wow, oh, he's definitely a very loud speaker on this phone, and I can really feel that there's more depth. So yeah, I'll go for more further tests when I have proper apps installed on it, because currently I'm just using a browser version. And yeah, I'm gonna have more tests when I start using it for real, including the camera, the display, the speaker, the battery life itself. So yeah, fingerprint magnet. So alright, nevertheless, so that's all my quick unboxing for this Xiaomi Real. That's all my unboxing for this Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. So hopefully you guys like it, and comment and subscribe if you like what I'm doing right now. And if you would like to see full review or whatever question you have, just DM me in Instagram, or probably comment it below in this video. I'll get it back to you guys. So see you guys on next video. Bye bye.